Alright, good day. My name is Abu Sunday from Cast Structure Technology. In this class, I'll be showing you how you can extract local government boundary from an existing state boundary, right, of Borno State. So as you can see, this is administrative local government boundary of Borno State, right? So we are going to extract a particular local government. So as you can see, the whole data is one file, right? Is one layer. So we cannot be able to do any editing to a particular layer without actually extract it out, so that we can have that also as a shapefile, right? So that's exactly what we are trying to do. So now the course of this training, we are going to extract Chibok local government from the administrative boundary of Borno State. So for us to do that, we need to know which particular boundary is Chibok local government boundary, right? So what we need to do is I will go to our layer here and right click and then open attribute table, right? So these are the attribute information for that layer. So now this is, if you go through the LGA name, we have our Chibok here, right? Okay, so I'll click to highlight the Chibok. Okay, then I'll minimize this, so I'll see Chibok here. So as you can see, this is Chibok local government. So for us to extract it, you go back to your layer again and right click and click on save as, right? Okay, now we are saving it as S-ray shapefile, right? So we leave it as S-ray shapefile. So if you are using other format, you can click on this arrow and select the format that you want to save it as, right? So the next step is the file name. So we click on this browse so that it will take you to a folder where you want to save the extracted files. So I'll click on browse. Okay, alright, so I'll click on desktop. I'll go to my desktop and then open my training folder, and then in this training folder I'll just write Chibok, right? Chibok. Okay, so this is the name, and then I'll click save. Okay, the next one is the coordinate reference system. So this particular class will leave it as Qgis. If you want to change the coordinate reference system, you can click on this button and search for your coordinates reference system that you want to use. But for the course of this class, we are going to use Qgis. So we'll leave it as Qgis. Okay, then you make sure you click save only selected, right? Remember to save only selected so that it will save only the Chibok. Because if you not check this box, you discover that if you click save, when we finish all this process and save, discover it will still save the whole files again. You understand? It will save the whole layer. But when you click on save only selected, discover that it will save the one that you select. Okay, so after that you click OK, right? So you see that saving done, export to vector file has been completed, right? So now if I off the whole local government now, the whole local government boundary, discover that we have the Chibok, right? You have only the Chibok now. So you can play around, you can open attribute table of it, you can do anything that you want to do with it. You can change the color, produce a map, you can overlay it on this, like put different color, say different symbology to it, so that you can actually produce a separate map that is maybe producing a map of Borno State showing Chibok local government. Thank you very much and God bless you.